Raw fish has been enjoyed for centuries, especially in coastal regions where fresh catch is abundant. Today, dishes like sushi, sashimi, poke bowls, ceviche, and carpaccio have spread worldwide, becoming popular even in Western and South Asian diets. But along with this rising popularity comes curiosity and confusion. Is eating raw fish actually healthy? What are the risks? And how can one consume it safely? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the health benefits of raw fish, how different cultures perceive it, and what precautions you must take to enjoy it safely. Welcome to Healthy Horizons, where we explore the world of nutrition, wellness, and conscious eating. Let's begin by understanding what makes raw fish unique. When fish is cooked, heat alters the proteins and natural structures of the fish. This process can be helpful in making the fish easier to digest, but it also causes some delicate nutrients to break down. Raw fish, on the other hand, is closer to its natural state, meaning many essential nutrients remain intact. One of the biggest benefits of eating raw fish is its high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3 is known as a healthy fat that supports brain function, improves mood, reduces inflammation, and promotes heart health. These fats are essential, meaning our body cannot produce them on its own. We have to get them through food. Raw fish such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, and trout are some of the richest sources of omega-3s available. This is one of the key reasons why populations that eat fish regularly, such as the Japanese, have some of the highest life expectancies in the world. Another major benefit of raw fish is its high-quality protein. Fish contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. And because raw fish is not exposed to heat, the proteins remain in a state that is easier for the body to absorb and use. This makes raw fish an excellent food for muscle recovery, cell repair, and maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. For people looking to follow a lean and nutritious diet, raw fish can provide a fulfilling and clean source of energy without unnecessary oils or heavy cooking methods. Raw fish is also rich in important micronutrients such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, iodine, and iron. Vitamin D supports strong bones and a healthy immune system. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve health and energy levels, and iodine plays an important role in thyroid function. Meanwhile, antioxidants in certain species of fish help reduce oxidative stress and support long-term wellness. This nutrient density is one reason why traditional cultures that regularly consume raw fish, such as the Japanese, Hawaiians, Peruvians, and Inuit peoples, often demonstrate stronger metabolic health compared to populations that rely heavily on processed foods. But beyond physical health, raw fish has also played an important role culturally and spiritually in many societies. In Japan, sushi and sashimi are not just food, they are an art form. Chefs spend years learning how to slice fish the correct way, balance flavors, and honor the natural taste of the ocean. In Hawaii, poke bowls represent a connection to the land and sea, reflecting a lifestyle that values sustainability and respect for nature. In Peru, ceviche is a national dish that symbolizes freshness, togetherness, and the joy of communal eating. These cultural perspectives teach us that food is not only about nutrients, it is also about experience, identity, tradition, and emotional wellness. However, despite these benefits and cultural strengths, raw fish consumption does come with risks, and it's important to acknowledge them honestly and responsibly. The first risk is that raw fish may contain parasites or bacteria. Cooking kills these organisms, but when fish is served raw, there is a chance they can still be present. Some common concerns include salmonella, listeria, Vibrio, and parasitic worms. These can lead to food poisoning or infections if the fish is not sourced or prepared properly. This is why not all fish is suitable to eat raw. The fish used in sushi restaurants is typically labeled as sushi-grade or sashimi-grade, meaning it has been frozen to a very low temperature. To kill parasites before being served at storage and hygiene are equally critical. Raw fish must be handled with extreme care. It needs to be kept cold, sliced with clean knives, and prepared in a sanitized environment. Even high-quality fish can become unsafe if stored incorrectly. This is why professional sushi chefs undergo strict training, not only in cutting and flavor, but in maintaining food safety. If raw fish is handled casually or without knowledge, the risk increases significantly. Some groups of people should be cautious when eating raw fish. Pregnant women, young children, older adults, and individuals with weakened immune systems are typically advised to avoid raw fish because their bodies may be more vulnerable to bacteria. For everyone else, the key is to practice mindful consumption, choose safe sources, check freshness, and avoid raw fish from unknown vendors. Now let's explore the perception of raw fish around the world. In some cultures, raw fish is considered a delicacy, a symbol of purity and natural flavor. In others, the idea of eating uncooked seafood might feel unfamiliar or unsafe. These perceptions are shaped by history, climate, and cultural habits. For example, in countries that are far from the sea, fish was historically harder to preserve in a fresh state, so people learned to cook it to make it safe. On the other hand, in coastal regions where fishermen caught fish daily, eating it raw was normal. With globalization, more people are becoming open to trying new cuisines. But the key is education. Understanding how to choose, prepare, and respect raw fish can transform it from a risky food into a powerful source of nourishment and satisfaction. So, what can we take away from today's discussion? Raw fish can be incredibly healthy when consumed correctly. It provides essential nutrients like omega-3s, lean protein, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health, brain function, and overall vitality. It also carries cultural significance and joy, connecting us to global traditions. However, it must be handled with great care. If you decide to include raw fish in your diet, always make sure it is fresh, clean, and sushi-grade, preferably purchased from reputable fish markets or trusted restaurants. At Healthy Horizons, we believe in balance and awareness. Food is not just fuel, it is knowledge, history, culture, and a part of our lives. The healthiest choices are the ones we make with understanding and intention. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more wellness insights and meaningful conversations about the food we eat. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.